Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be giving my thoughts on if YouTubers killed Prodigy. It's kind of the big thing on YouTube right now. We've had Glove Joseph, aka JJ_0E, Prodigy Prince, and PG Pro Gamer make a few others. So, people are saying that it's all because of two things, hacking and leaks. Yes, this is somewhat true. I will agree that we did go over the top with the leak. Leaks such as finding the Florafox mythical epic's name and later the icon that was found by Pris. Wait, no. The name was found by Pris, the icon or the sprite was found by somebody else. So, are leaks over the top? In some way they are. Going directly into the game's code, such as this, is way over to the top. We never should have gone into the game code at all to find anything. What leaks I do think are fine are the CDN digging. This I think is fine because there are only two things that you can get from this, and that is icons and spine. Something like this I see is fine because it's not spoiling too much. And something like this also isn't spoiling too much. I think that leaks hype up the game, or hype up for something coming out, as long as we don't go find too much information that it's not going to be fine. Or it is going to be fine, I meant to say. So now we are on to hacks. I don't think that hacking is great, necessarily. Like, the only reason I ever do it is for content. I'm not ever going to go and go into battles and battle people and stuff and try and ruin someone's day. I'm not going to go put on something that somebody can't get or can't get as of now. I'm going to wait for it to come out before I do that. So, everybody is saying that Prodigy is dying because of leaks. As long as we don't go over the top and find the name, find the hero pose or sprite, everything is going to be fine. And also, no one has really ever said that people aren't in school right now. When I started doing Prodigy videos over a year ago, in April and May, I was getting thousands of views on my videos. But then when it came to summer, I was only getting 50 views on my videos, and that's probably because I was at 100 subs, but before that I was still getting 1,000 views pretty much every single video. So we have to take into account that it is summer, and people aren't really going to be interested in a math game during this summer. A few other notable things are that people are saying that Prodigy is dying because Prodigy took away the free teacher membership. You don't need membership to win. Prodigy isn't pay to win. All you have to do is play in the arena, and you're going to get fine armor. Literally, all of this I was able to get without membership. This cake stuff, all of the non-membership ruins. Non-membership, this isn't even a good ruin. Buddies, you can get some pretty cool buddies without membership, such as the Sparkle Snuff. So Prodigy isn't pay to win. Although it does mean that you're going to have to play a little more than the other people. One of the only other things that I would have to say about this is that Prodigy needs to update the game more, because we aren't getting anything. There's nothing to be excited about, but I do think the game's going to be fine overall, because we are going to get updates from the next arena season. I don't know when that's coming out. From right now, there is Summerfest for some people, and late September, early October, we are going to get Pumpkin Fest. And then only a month later, we will get Winterfest, or 2 months if they, again, push it back to January. And one last thing, that because of Prodigy dying on YouTube, it's kind of because the Prodigy content is getting bland. As you can see, I have been posting, 11 videos in the past month, which is very slow for me. A lot of other YouTubers have been doing repetitive content, or they're not doing the same content that they were used to be able to do. One of the big things that Prodigy YouTubers rely on is updates, and when we aren't getting those, it's very hard to keep the game alive. Prodigy Prince has only been able to make 9 real videos in the past month. 3 of them have also been live streams. Freezik has been doing a bunch of reviews, calling everything trash. And PG Pro Gamer, I'm sorry to say this, but you are starting to get pretty clickbait. So yeah, those are my thoughts on why Prodigy is dying and why it is our fault and somewhat not our fault, and it is Prodigy's fault in a way. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.